Since you are here, you probably know what is an object. As you know, the key value pair in JavaScript object is called property. So let's start from this point. Props. Simply, the idea of props depends on passing these properties as HTML attributes, which consist of attribute name and attribute value. So props is just a way to pass data like strings, numbers, booleans, or any JavaScript values from parent component to child component. Now to pass props, just write prop name and its value. As you can see, using curly braces is required in most cases, except string values where it's optional. Now to read props inside child component, we have two ways. The first one is by using the props keyword as a JavaScript object, passed as a function parameter. Basically, the props object represents all the data that we passed in from the parent component. Now the second way to read props is by using object destructuring. Destructuring syntax is a way to extract specific properties from an object and use them as variables in a more concise manner. Additionally, we can rename properties or assign default values. That's it for this video, and see you next time.